We're on the Norwegian Escape. We're going to give you our room tour of 11742. Right here you can see that it'll show if you're home or if you have do not disturb up or if you want them to make up your room. Let's look. Okay, let's start our tour on the part that matters the most, the balcony. This is a standard balcony room and it's probably going to be pretty loud. We're in the port of New Orleans and we haven't pulled out yet. Out here we have two chairs and a nice little table that you could put, coffee on or whatever in the morning. So I think this is going to be nice. I'm going to grab some towels from the pool later to bring down here. And then the bed in this room is further from the window. We've got the couch right here, which could be made up into an additional bed. Um, Decently comfortable for, one of these cruise ship couches. We've also got a little stool here that could be used as a table if you have the top on it, or you can slide this off and sit on it if you're using this area as a desk or as your makeup mirror. The mirror itself is actually really large, a nice place to get ready. You can see that they gave us tons of different literature that we need to look at. Down here, we do have the hair dryer. You can't unplug this and bring it anywhere else, so your hair does have to be dried here, not in the bathroom. As far as plugs, we've got 3 American outlets, and then we've also got a European plug. So if you brought an extra converter or adapter, you'd be able to plug an additional thing there. So I feel like there's actually a lot of charging space for a cruise ship stateroom. This is pretty nice. And then here we've got the mini fridge. It is stocked with some beverages that cost money, so I'm not going to use those. I might ask our stateroom steward to remove them, but some decent amount of storage space here as well. We've got another little pocket for stuff here. The TV does tilt left, right, and up and down. So if you're trying to watch it from the couch or the bed, there's 2 other cabinets in here that have a lot of extra storage space. This one's like a triangle that goes back at an angle with 2 large shelves. And then this one also has 3 tiny shelves as well. There are 2 hooks here for bags or lanyards or hats or whatever. They're pretty sturdy, so you could definitely hang a pretty heavy bag on it. The bed itself is moderately comfy. It's, I would say, not super firm, not super soft either, but it's pretty good. It does have a nightstand on each side, which has 2 little shelves on both sides, and each of them have a port where you could plug in USB-A for a charger, as well as 2 little lights. So that's pretty nice that you can charge your phone on either side of the bed. That's not always the case. And then here you can put books or whatever up here. There's a little narrow shelf. In the closet on one side, we've got a ton of hangers and a full like dress storage area and 1 shelf that runs the whole length of the closet on top. And then on the other side, we've got a shelving unit. There's no drawers. There is a safe though. So not a ton of space here, but that's going to be okay for, a short cruise. Under the bed, it is pretty deep. So you could slide your suitcase under there if you want to store it there and have it out of the way. We've got a full-length mirror here and then a thermostat. And then in the bathroom, it's a pretty decent sized bathroom. We've got a bunch of shelving space here that goes down the side as well. And then we've got hand soap, liquid hand soap, so not the little bars. That's pretty nice. And then in here, we've got the trash can and some more shelving storage space. In the shower, we do have only a shampoo and conditioner combo. So if you need separate conditioner like I normally like, you might want to bring your own. So we've got the shampoo conditioner combo and we've got body wash as well. And then we have 2 shelves to put your own toiletries on, as well as a little clothesline here to dry swimsuits or whatever laundry you're doing on. But that is basically it. Up here, we do have 1 outlet. That's the shavers only thing. So probably can't plug in anything you want to in there. But that's basically it. That is our room tour on the Norwegian Escape. We are going on a 7-night cruise, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. If you want to subscribe and follow along, we're going to do some videos on the ports we stop at as well. But if you are going on a cruise in the Norwegian Escape, I hope you have a wonderful time, and thanks so much for watching. Safe travels.